Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kelly and this is the Diva Den, where I like to talk all things home. Today I will be participating in another challenge hosted by Hilary from Old World Home, and it is the $5 Goodwill challenge. Hilary hosts this 4 times a year during each season, and it's a really neat challenge. Anybody's allowed to participate, and the idea is very simple. You visit your local Goodwill, thrift store, garage sale, and you're allowed to spend $5. And you try to find something for that season that you want to bring into your home that you will love and you want in your home. So thank you, Hilary, for hosting this challenge once again. The first time I participated was in the summer challenge, and I will leave the link to that video below if you're interested in checking it out. And I will also link Hilary's channel and the link to the playlist below, because there's lots of great ideas and great videos that come out of this challenge each season, and it's so fun to see what others love to put in their home. Now, for my challenge, I had to visit my local thrift store a number of times, and I got really lucky this past weekend. They had just restocked, and I'm excited to show you what I found. A little known fact about me is I love owls. I love owls. I think they're a gorgeous creature. And I was very excited this year to see in my local design stores that woodland creatures, and in particular owls, are a huge trend this year. I was at, I think it was Marshall's this past weekend, and they had the most beautiful owls, like ceramic owls, and they were gorgeous, but they were a little pricey. So when I walked into my local thrift store and I found this little guy, I knew he was perfect for this challenge. And even better, I hope you can see that, he was $4.99, so he was within the $5 challenge, and it made me very happy. Now, he's a little garish. He doesn't really go with my decor, but I'm going to fix that. I'm going to give him a quick coat of spray paint, and I think he'll look beautiful after that, and exactly like what I'm seeing in all the stores. Now, the other thing that's cool about him is he is a candle holder, so that's a bonus to me. And I think I'm going to put some twinkle lights in him. I have some lights that I got at Costco last year, you know, the battery operated ones. And I think with those in there, he's going to be beautiful. I have the perfect spot for him. So this challenge made me really happy, and I'm excited to get going on this. So while I'm spray painting, I'd like to know in the comments below, do you think I should keep his eyes black and his beak black, or just keep them all one color? I haven't decided yet. I'm not taping them off because they're so small. I have a little black paint pen that afterwards, if I decide, I can do his eyes or his little feet or his little beak. But let me know in the comments below, especially when you see him all finished, if you think I should put his eyes black or just leave them all one color. I'd love to know what you guys think. But oh my gosh, he is just the sweetest thing. I am so excited for this one. So here's the paint I'm going to be using. It's called Heirloom White, and that's what I'm going to be using to spray paint the little owl. And I love this color. I think it's not white, it's not cream. Sometimes these creams can turn a little yellow on you, and in which case I might as well leave them yellow. But this is the spray paint I'm going to be using, and I'm going to take him outside and get spray painting now. So here's the owl all finished, and I love him. I think he looks so good, and he looks just like the ones that I've seen in the store. So I'm really happy with this, and for $5 in my local thrift store, I'm thrilled. I think he's so pretty. So now I'm going to show you where I'm going to put him. Oh, but first I did add some twinkle lights to him that I had, just the battery operated ones. I got a package at Costco last year and I didn't use them all, so I added some twinkle lights in there, and I'll show you where I'm going to put them now. So here he is in my kitchen in just the corner of one of my counters, along with a favorite Pier 1 candle holder I found years ago. I just love this little pumpkin candle holder. And then the fall sign I just made in a recent DIY, and I will leave the link to that video up above. I hope you go check that out. But that was just an old piece of wood I had lying around. I just painted it, wrote fall, and hot glued some leaves and berries on it. And I love how this little vignette turned out. Hope you enjoyed this video of my $5 Goodwill find. I love it. I'm really pleased with it. And I love owls, so I know he's not just going to hang around in the fall. I know he's going to find a lot of spots in my home throughout the year, and I actually can't wait to use them at Christmas time. I have a few ideas where I want to put them, so he makes me happy, and I really do love it. So thank you so much, Hilary from Old World Home, for hosting this challenge again. As always, it was a lot of fun. I'll leave the link to that playlist below, and be sure to check out all the other videos, because I know in the summer edition there were some awesome videos of what people found and used in their home, and I know the fall is going to be even better. So please check out the other videos in the playlist. And thank you for spending some time with me, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll maybe think about giving it a thumbs up, a like before you exit on out, and even think about subscribing too. I'd love to have you join me each week. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys. Now, in case you guys didn't believe me about my love of owls, here's a candle holder that my kids got for me from Bath & Body Works years ago, as just because we love you, Mom. And not sure if you can see it, but it's got little owls on it. This wrinkly tea towel, which needs to be washed. Linen one my son got me in my stocking one year for Christmas, with owls on it. And in my living room, as part of my fall and then eventual Halloween decor, there's a little owl I got a couple years ago at the dollar store. See, I do love owls.